you've ever stared at a blank page wondering what to draw, I have an idea for you today. This video is going to help you illustrate a Zodiac series, as you already have 12 built-in prompts waiting for you. The sign we're going to focus on today is Leo. To start, my name is Jenny, and I love sharing what I know about art and astrology. Back in 2022, I created my first Zodiac illustrations. What I learned is drawing in series can really help you deeply explore a theme, discover your style, and show a potential client how you might approach a larger project. To begin any project, it always starts with research, and one of the most important things to know in a Zodiac series is the archetypes. These are personality traits given to each sign, which can help you brainstorm your visuals. Leo is known for being regal, confident, generous, creative, a leader, bold, brave, and courageous. So how I often begin my character is by going to Pinterest or a stock site like Pexels and entering in a phrase with these same words like woman regal pose, or woman brave pose, or woman with lion pose, to start getting ideas on the type of facial expressions and body language of these words. You can then use that to begin sketching ideas. Then it is really important to include certain elements, colors, and symbols that visually are associated with the zodiac sign Leo. I think it's almost a must to use the glyph of Leo. This is a stylized curved shape resembling a lion's mane or tail. Also, it looks like half a heart, so you can pause the video and use my glyph here as a guide if you want to sketch out your own glyph. Some fun ways to incorporate the glyph onto your character is by using it as an earring or necklace or tattoo. It could even be a pattern on their clothing. You can see here I added it small as this woman's earring. Leo's element is a fire sign, so you may want to add fire or warm color tones to your art, like orange, red, or yellow. It's always nice to include things like stars and clouds or celestial elements. Leo also rules the sun, which is so fitting as Leos love to be the center of attention and can outshine and bring charisma and light to any situation. You also could decide to show sunflowers, as these flowers are often associated as Leo's birth flower. I also love to include crowns, traditional looking ones, or even floral crowns, as Leos are the royalty of the zodiac. You may want to pay extra emphasis to your character's hair. Every time I see a person with amazing big hair, I always think to myself, they must be a Leo or have big Leo energy. So make your Leo character's hair amazing, just like a lion's mane. Also, a lion is probably the most recognizable symbol for Leo, and here is the constellation for Leo. The star located on the lion's chest is called Regulus. It is the brightest star in Leo's constellation and represents the heart of the lion. It has always been considered a royal star, and to be born under it makes one king-like. Because Regulus is the star called the heart of a lion, you could include imagery of a heart, as Leos are passionate and often known for wearing their heart on their sleeves. Leo also is the solar plexus part of the chakra, which is the upper abdomen representing power, confidence, and self-esteem. You may also want to look at the imagery on different tarot strength cards. This card is ruled by Leo and shows a woman calmly taming a lion by using her own inner strength. I hope some of this symbolism sparks your creativity to start your own Zodiac series. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and happy creating.